Hop into the 2021 Toyota Corolla. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make your daily drive efficient and stylish in this well-equipped, affordable Corolla. Smooth and agile, its surprisingly spacious cabin spoils you with desirable infotainment features, while its advanced safety tech infuses every journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, alarm, traction control. Spoil yourself a little by making your daily drive something to look forward to. All you need to do is get behind the wheel and let our professional team handle the rest.